Hello everyone, my name is Vishali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about that how you can overcome from your failure or fear of failure. So let's get into the video. See, fear of failure is something that always stop you to achieve your dreams. Your mind always look for the comfort zone. Like if you want to do something in your life and you want to achieve something in your life, and there are some consequences जिससे आप बहुत ज़्यादा डरते हो कि अगर ऐसा हो गया तो वैसा हो गया तो मैं क्या करूँगा, ऐसा हो गया तो मैं क्या करूँगी, व्हाट इफ़ इट डजंट वर्क आउट, मैं एनर्जी वेस्ट करूँगी, टाइम वेस्ट करूँगी, मैं इसके बाद क्या करूँगी अगर ये काम नहीं हुआ तो वो जो फियर हमारे अंदर होता है वो कॉन्स्टेंटली हमें हमारे ड्रीम्स के लिए आगे बढ़ने से रोकता है. बट इट्स अप टू यू दैट हाउ यू डील विद दैट फियर, like if it doesn't work out, but you have to think like, what if it's work out, how your life will change, how will everything change, you would be the person you always wanted to be. Like if things work out, you won, you like achieve everything, right? So you always have to think positive for what you really wanted to do rather than the negative thing. The successful peoples have the long list of failures rather than their achievements, but still they didn't stop. No matter what, how many times they failed, but they are success because they didn't stop because of their failures. Don't play the victim card. Stop thinking about everything is against me. You should be think like, it didn't work out. No, what did I learn from this? And next time when I'm going to do this, I will take care of this thing. I'm not gonna make this mistake again. The failure is, you should think the failure is a learning, not as a failure. Your next move is not written by the failure. Your next move is written by the respond, how you respond to that fail, how you respond to that mistake, what did you learn to that mistake, and how you motivate yourself, how you do things in a more good way. Failure can be so bad if you didn't learn anything from it. Like something happened and you'll be like, oh no, what would I do now? I can't do this anymore. Why is this happening to me? And you start playing that victim card. Then it is a very big thing. But if you think like, okay, that's it. It happened. It happened. What can I do now? I can't go in the past and change it. But in the future, I will do my best to not to do that mistake again. I learned from it and I move on, and I didn't stop, and I kept going, and ultimately you reach where you really wanted to go. Only two type of peoples in this world win. First, the people who don't have any backup, like all they have to do is move forward no matter what the outcome will be. They don't give a damn about the outcome. They have to do what they want to do because they don't have any another option. Only those people with that mindset, like no matter, I have to do it. If they fail, what can we do? Like we can't do anything else, we have to do it again. Like only those people make it. And the second person who you know uh, you know set their mind like, no matter what I have and what I had, no matter what, I want this and I am going to do this no matter what the outcome will be. you have to think like that. If you have the backup, you have to stop thinking about the backup. All you have to think about what you really want to do. If you fail, you go again you fail, you go again. If you fail, you go again. At least you will think like, I did my best. You will be satisfied with yourself, and the fear of, failure will be gone. Like, gone. You will so proud of yourself. You will so like, I did what I really wanted to do. And the fear of failure is not only like, you think like it will affect me. You also think about the, people, what will people say? Like, if I fail, people will judge me. And only those people judge you who can't do anything in their life, who can't achieve their dreams. The people who are very lethargic, they have nothing to do, all they do is sit at their homes and judge people. Those people have done nothing in their life. Then how these people's opinions and their judgment affect you? Because you have done a lot of things, a lot of hard work in your life. The minute you will start doing, those people's opinions will automatically started deleting in your mind. Like, who give a damn? Like, I am the person who is trying, and you can't affected by the people who are not even stand up and take a step. Then how you can compare yourself with those people? Yeah, never give up on your dreams. Always stand up, move forward. If you fail, like, fail better, right? You will be so satisfied with yourself. You won't feel like a loser. You will feel like a winner, and you will think that, I learned something. Today was a very progressive day, and I learned something from it. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will come back tomorrow with something new, with something more great. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you. Bye.